Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon. This is KTS reporting from the Curve of Death near Szklarska Poręba in Poland in Jezera Mountains. And this is the view I'm here to present today. There is still snow on the peaks, but it's quite warm. It's about 17. It was raining all night and we decided to go and check out the mountains. Here's Ian with umbrella. We couldn't stay home today. It was just too good to miss. Enjoying the view so far? I mean, you know, we will see more. I think this is the time we're going is we reached the town.
You take a photo of you?
I'm taking a video. And you know what they started here, like in Prague? You can put a padlock on a bridge if you love somebody. We're gonna bring one for ourselves, but probably it's illegal to do, so maybe not. We're gonna look for a place to sit down and eat. And as you see, I'm not wearing masks. Ian pointing, there is snow on the hill. I don't know if this doesn't work. Oh. Of course there is snow on the hill. We are very high up. We are almost... no, we are not high up. We are about 700 meters above the sea level. I need to zoom myself out. Hello. It's starting to rain and I'm wearing sunglasses. But let's see what this town, up and down, up or down, Ian? You wanna go this way? Yeah, Ian said we're going down. We paid £1.20 for 2 hours car park. Bloody rain, it's starting to rain. We're gonna have hot soup, salad with pear, Greek salad, pork chops, pork knuckles. Basically it's pork and fish. So things are opening, restaurants are open, hotels are open. Unfortunately today is Saturday, so I don't know how long the restaurants will be open. Usually in Poland they close everything at 2 p.m. on Saturday. No, not all the shops are open. This one isn't.
This will be a bit like
Benidorm going on here. Well, this is resort, so they do a one-day business with tourists and they're happy with that. This shop sells leather and 550, 100 pounds for this leather jacket. They are really desperate. Maybe it's time to buy something. Ian just pointing to a step. I almost missed the 2 steps and I could have... I was asked to show chandelier on chestnut. Conkers are coming. So this is it. The city is called town called Szklarska Poręba. It's even hard for me to say. We're supposed to go to Świeradów, but we ended up here.
Children like to eat. Yeah.
Oh yes, this is what do you call this in English? Land park. Yes. For brave people only.
To do the Scottish thing.
Yeah, umbrellas out. It's starting to rain. Can you hide me as well? To be honest, I'm looking for cotton candy, but I'm not able to find any cotton candy. I'm sorry. There are some people trying to talk to us. I have no idea what they're saying. Very heavy accent. Because it's cold, we are at a restaurant called Crocus. It's probably in America. Crocus, just by the river. Unfortunately, we could not sit outside because it's pouring rain and it's cold. But on a nice warm day, you can sit outside and enjoy the mini waterfalls. As this is very cold, it's time for hot tea for me. The most amazing thing, I asked for white tea, so it arrived with milk and arrived this way with lemon. Do not put those together, not recommended. I just asked normal white tea, and they look at me here like nobody puts tea and nobody puts milk in tea in Poland. It's for babies. It's not the best tea. It's not the best water.
Is it tea? Indian tea?
No, it's just water is disgusting. Okay, the water is not our well water, so maybe because we've been drinking pure well water, pure crystal clear water for the last 3 months, drinking anything else can be shocking. I should have stick to Coke. Ian's got Coke. Ian got a better option. And in a glass bottle, you see, we're still civilized. We don't drink from cans, we drink from glass bottles. We ordered, as usual, potato pancakes with mushroom sauce, and Ian ordered grilled cheese. So let's see when it arrives. You're not gonna see my face. I want you to see this. Food arrived. How lovely and colorful it is. Of course, I'm gonna eat this because Ian doesn't like sauerkraut. But we have a red cabbage, we have carrots, we have sauerkraut, grilled cheese with pineapple and cranberries, a huge portion of chips. And for me, 3 potato pancake with lettuce, wild mushroom sauce with beautiful decoration. Yummy, yummy. Let's eat. You won't be able to hear me much, but you can see me. Oh, it smells delicious, absolutely delicious. It's a real lettuce. Guys, lovely and creamy. Absolutely delicious, freshly made. This is not from powder, these are shredded potatoes. How was yours? I'm stealing chips from Ian to dip them in my sauce. So, if you're ever in Crocus restaurant in Szklarska Poręba, this food is amazing, absolutely amazing. How is your cheese? You try it? Sorry about the siren outside. Okay, there was ambulance a minute ago, and now there's fire brigade. Something happened. Remember the footage before? We just went through the curve of death. I hope nothing happened over there. Ian, try your cheese. Tell me how is it. Okay, we're waiting for the verdict. Pineapple and cranberry grilled cheese. And? Yes, no? Yes? Yes. Okay guys, I'll see you outside. We can hardly move. Ian, don't poke my eye. Ian, move the umbrella. It's stuck, yes. Okay, let's go up this way. Can we go? I don't know, I don't see the traffic, so you have to guide me.
Just
so this is the restaurant, and the river is just here. That's the bridge. Maybe I'll show you from this point of view. Really, really lovely food, and there is the snow. There's a river, and the restaurant is here, Crocus. Really lovely, really lovely. I mean, we couldn't. I couldn't finish. I left some on the plate, to be honest with you. Ian, you had it all.
It's lovely.
He gave me his cabbage.
Did you enjoy my cabbage?
Yes, I enjoyed your cabbage. Thank you. It was actually cabbage with the horseradish. It was very unusual combination, but I like it. I liked it. Oh my God, there's a guy taking photo of snow, I think. Okay, let's see. Now I want something sweet. That's the cheeses from mountains, from Tatras mountains. I don't know why they sell them here. But I'm looking for something sweet. Every dinner I have to have something sweet. Even tiny Tic Tac or something.
Another leather shop.
Another leather shop. Nice jackets. You see, this is outfit from Tatras Mountains, and we are in Giant Mountains. So I have no idea why is this here. Wrong place. So I'll give you some kind of architecture sample here. It's beautiful setting. We are really this beautiful setting. It's in a valley surrounded by beautiful mountains. The architecture is amazing. There's not much modern going on, which I'm happy to see. Look at the building here. It's probably 16th century stuff.
Wow.
And this stuff is everywhere here. Look at the woodwork and the paintings. It's absolutely beautiful place to be, but it's raining unfortunately, so we're gonna have to head back. But we will be back on a sunny day, I promise. We were just walking and we found a shop with gemstones, and look at the size of this amethyst. It must weigh, I don't know, half a ton. Wow. Well, this place is famous for rocks. Wow. I don't know if you can see because there is a glass there. Huge amethyst. Natural amethyst. Ha! You thought this is over. Not over yet. We are taking you to the spot where we spent wonderful few nighs last year in November, October, before we bought the house, before we knew where we were going to buy the house. We were sleeping here at this car park in our Nessie with this view. And in the morning there was like 50 hunters came with the trumpets and God knows what, of course with vodka. And there was one morning like this, they were going for hunt. But this is our fresh water supply for the motorhome. And the water is absolutely drinkable. And this place was lovely and quiet at night. And this is where I used to go and get water from. I just wanted to share this with you. Our life. This is where we stayed. This is where we slept for a few nights. And we have absolutely wonderful memory. And this is basically 20 minutes from where we live right now. 20 minutes from here we found home we love so much. Alright guys, we are just heading home basically. It's Saturday afternoon. Should be empty by now. All the boys should be gone. So it's all ours. I'm gonna show you big changes upstairs again after this. Stay tuned.